Ever wondered how you can access your Gmail on multiple devices without losing track of your emails? Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Gmail IMAP, a simple tweak that keeps all your emails in sync, no matter where you check them. First, open your Gmail account in a web browser. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner and click the gear-shaped settings icon. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This opens up all the customization options for your Gmail. Next, navigate to the tab labeled Forwarding and POP/IMAP. Here, you'll find the IMAP Access section. IMAP is what allows your emails to sync across multiple devices. Most accounts have it enabled by default, but if you don't see it active, simply select Enable IMAP. This step is crucial because it ensures that any changes you make, like reading or deleting an email, will appear on all your devices instantly. Once you've enabled IMAP, scroll down and hit Save Changes to apply the new settings. That's it. Your Gmail is now fully configured to work seamlessly with IMAP, giving you smooth, synchronized access across all your devices. Setting up IMAP might seem small, but it makes a huge difference in managing your inbox efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you stay organized and connected wherever you check your emails.